Hi guys, today we are doing a powerful hair growth tea with just black seed and hibiscus leaves. If you are new to the channel, my name is Lydia. Now let's get started. Without further ado, we are using black seeds and also hibiscus seeds. I love black seeds because it's been clinically proven to enhance and promote hair growth. If you are experiencing hair fall, using black seed regularly is able to really help soothe your scalp. Yes, you can use it as an oil, but in this video we are making it as hairspray. If you are not experiencing, like, your hair density is not something you want, you can improve on your hair density by using black seed. Yes, it's better to use them in their powdered form. That is, if you can grind them and use them, they are more potent because with this the particles are broken down into smaller pieces, so they are really stronger when they are in that state. Our next ingredient is hibiscus leaves. Guys, hibiscus leaf is the savior for hair when it comes to hair. Hibiscus has been used for several ages in order to promote hair growth. I specifically like it because it's able to stimulate blood circulation on the scalp, which encourages hair growth. These are herbs that I usually come on here to show you that you have to take advantage of them, and you also have to use them consistently. Because you are using them as tea, it's important to infuse them into a carrier. If you are using it as an oil, we have to add oil, but then because we are using it as a tea, we have to add water to it. So you allow it to sit to steep so that the nutrients in the seeds and the flowers are able to, come into the water, because it's the water that we'll be using. When you are done, strain it as you see me do in the video, and it's ready to be used. You can either use it on your scalp, hair growth spray, or use it when you finish shampooing your hair. You can use it as a scalp rinse so that it's able to protect your scalp. Yes, I like to use it on clean hair. It's not really recommended to use these herbs teas on dirty hair, else you are going to do a cos 90 job. Yes, because you are going to transfer dirt, like it's not going to yield any results. So it's important to do this on clean hair. Do it on clean hair, preferably after you shampoo your hair, like your first wash day, then you do this treatment. Yes, I also like to make it a bit warm, not very hot, like lukewarm, so that it's able to stimulate better on my scalp. You'll be wondering how often you do this. Do this or use this every day, depending on your hair porosity. Because I'm highly porous, I can use this every day. But if you are not highly porous, you can use this either twice or 3 times in a week, and it's going to be very effective. Yes, I'm using this on my sister's hair, guys. I was forcing my sister. She was actually telling the person that she'll call her back, and you could tell that she was so tired. But me, on the other hand, I had so much energy. Like, when it comes to hair, natural hair, call me anytime, any day, and I'm going to show up. I had so much energy, but she was very tired. I told her to, relax and let me do the thing. Yes. So my sister has a very dense hair. Like, her hair is very thick and very dense. Not way compared to mine. I mean, mine is a little, not really dense as hers. Hers is genetically like that. Yes. So you don't have to compete with people who have very high density hair. Some of them are genetically like that. They are not doing much. But then don't be tricked that if you don't do much, if you don't protect your hair, it can go bad. I'm speaking from experience because my sister had the same issue. She had lots of dense hair, but then it got damaged. Like, your hair, no matter, irrespective of how strong it is, if you don't take care of it, it has a potential to be bad. Like, it has a potential to go bad. Yes, it will grow again, but then there's a potential that you can damage your hair. So I first of all sprayed some of the tea into her hair, and then this is the butter I'm using. It's like hair grease. It's made up of herbs and then oil. So I just applied it on the hair. I'm not really using it on the scalp. I'm just using it on the hair strands so that they are really able to seal in the moisture in her hair. Like, she was very relaxed. Initially, she didn't like it. She was like, oh my goodness. It was a Sunday evening, so you can imagine she needed to rest for the next day. But I'm like, let me do this for you. You enjoy it. And the plot twist is she finally did enjoy it. Like, she was so excited about it. So guys, doing this, you have to follow up with something that is going to seal in the moisture. Be it oil, be it butter, either shea butter, anything that has oil in it that is supposed to seal in the moisture. But you don't have to use leave-in or something, because the water alone, the tea alone serves as a leave-in. Yes. So I'm using this as a moisturizer, like I'm moisturizing her hair with this treatment. That's why I'm twisting it, so that You know, natural hair, it can shrink when you least expect. So I'm putting it in twist so that it's able to still stay stretched anytime that she wants to do anything to her hair. So guys, let me share a simple hair growth tip that you can use on your hair. I mean, you can use on your journey. Try to build a routine. Like, this is very important. Don't do something too much that you cannot continue. Try to build a routine. If you can do once a week wash day, good wash day, do it. If you can do twice a month wash day, please do it. Don't try to force yourself because your influencer is doing once a week and you also want to do. Maybe your schedule is different. Maybe your time is different. Maybe the things you have is different. Maybe the convenience is also different. So build a routine according to your schedule. This is what I always tell my people. Build a routine that you can follow according to your schedule. That way you're not overwhelmed. That way you don't, like, your hair wash day is not always banging in your eyes. Hey, I need to wash my hair. I need to wash my hair. So building a routine is very, very important. And always try to moisturize your hair. I always say that our hair is like a plant. When you water it, it's able to grow beautifully. So always try to moisturize your hair. When your hair is dry, it affects your scalp. Especially if you have dandruff, it's really, really not good at all. So always try to moisturize your hair at least like once a week is okay. Like, okay, this is the part that my sister was feeling her hair because of the bounce. You see, she was really, really excited. There was a mirror she was looking at, so she was really enjoying what I was doing to her hair. So this is the plot twist. She ended up enjoying what I was doing to the hair. So guys, take care of your hair. These are simple herbs that are available in the kitchen that are really, really readily anywhere you can use on your hair that will help promote hair growth. It's important to massage your scalp as well because massaging the scalp is what revives the dormant hair follicles. For example, if you are trying to grow a particular part of your hair, when you apply your hair tea or hairspray or... Sorry guys, my microphone stopped working, so I'm sure the audio will be different. So when you apply your hair tea or hairspray or anything, please do well to give yourself a good massage. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. So let me emphasize on my key takeaways. One is build a routine you can follow. A routine could be washing your hair or taking off your hair once a month or twice a month or once a week. Something you can follow, something flexible. And the second tip or certain takeaway is that please do well to massage your scalp anytime you apply something to your hair so that it's able to make whatever you apply or that you apply on your hair, your scalp, very effective. Whatever it is that goes on the scalp, please do well to massage it. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. We ended up styling my sister's hair and she enjoyed it so much. The reason why is because her hair is always very, very dry. So this was something that was able to retain the moisture longer than she expected, and she was really excited. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you for watching till this end. I hope you have subscribed if you haven't, and I hope you have liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Lydia once again. Bye.